Hey, little artists! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're drawing something super cool, a robot and its pet robot dog.
Hello, young artists. I'm a friendly robot who loves to help.
All right, let's begin with the head. It's square-shaped.
It helps me follow the commands.
Hey! Next, the eye camera.
My eyes help me scan the environment and can even see in the dark.
Haha! Give our robot a smiling mouth.
I can smile and talk.
Ho-ho! Next, the ears.
They help me hear sounds and receive signals.
Ho-ho! What's that on top of your head?
That's my signal sensor.
Now, the body. It's like a rectangle.
Yes, my body holds my power source. I have a screen on my chest that displays information.
The robot's power button is like its heart.
It helps me start and stop.
Perfect! Draw two long arms, one on each side.
My arms can grab and lift heavy objects.
That's super handy. Now, add the legs.
My sturdy legs, I can go anywhere.
Oh-ho! Now, it's time to draw a puppy robot. Start with the head.
I have a nose to sniff and a mouth to bark.
Aw! Next, let's add eyes and cute ears.
Draw the neck and body.
Cute little legs also. Finally, a sensor tail to receive signals. Draw the lines darker to make them stand out. Let's make the robot and puppy robot colorful! Pink color head and body. Do you know what robots do?
I can do all sorts of things, like helping people, lift heavy stuff, or even play games without getting tired with the signals received on my sensors.
Aha!
Blue. Orange. Yellow.
Peacock blue.
Red.
Green.
Aha!
Brown. Violet. job, everyone!
Thanks, kids. You can shine no matter what you're made of.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!